Smith uses a recipe that has been passed down 3 generations.
The creation of a haggis is it's just enjoyable. It's a piece of history.
Offal is diced, minced, and seasoned with mixed spices. More to this Scottish delicacy than meets the eye, and Scots enjoy telling tall tales to unsuspecting visitors in which the haggis is portrayed as a real animal.
Well, you've got the legends of the haggis where you have like the haggis